Hello everyone, this is Chun Xiong. I'm going to show you today how to get Video SDK Windows running on Windows 11 Visual Studio 2022. First, head over to marketplace.zoom.us and sign with your Video SDK account. Once you have signed in, download the latest SDK. As of this recording, the latest SDK is version 1.10.1. When you have downloaded it, extract the folder and go to sample libs. You would see that there are three different folders. You will typically on a Windows machine use either the x64-bit or the 32-bit, which is under x86. Starting from 64, I'll go into the demo folder. I will look under Video SDK _ demo, and I will look for the solution file. This will launch Video Studio, and it will prompt me to update some of the target version. I'm going to choose Windows SDK version 10. Platform toolset, I'm going to upgrade it to 143. One of the things that you want to take note is you need to change the debug to release. All right. And once that is done, if I do a run, repeat a while. It will now give me a UI. So I can create a session. It will ask me to generate a authentication token. I've pre-generated one. I'm going to paste it here. All right, close this and create a session. If you miss that, this is under the settings. I'll create a session. Make sure that the session name is exactly the same that you use as the one you use in the authentication token. I am this last time session 2. Name could be anything. All right, password is optional. I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to do a create. Over here, you can see my video. I'm going to allow, and now I am in the session. Next thing I want to try out is I'm going to try out the 64-bit version. So I'm going to go back to head over to the project folder, go to 32-bit or the x86, head over to demo, video SDK _ demo, and same thing over here, video SDK _ demo solution file. It should also prompt me to retarget the project. I'm going to use Windows SDK version 10, platform toolset 143. All right. Same thing, change the debug to release and then do the build. Right, now it's telling me there is an error. This is UI64. Okay, let's right click, take a look at this, properties. Okay. This is this looks fine. All right, that's the issue. So on the release, I have to make sure that this is back to 64 bits. All right, it's very easy to miss. Remember, this is a x86 or 32-bit project. We have to make sure this is targeting x86. So if I rebuild it, Give it a while. There you go. Same thing. Allow. Then access. I'll create a session. I'll use back the same token. Create a session. Make sure the session name is the same session name that you use or topic name that you use to sign your JWT token. So if I go over and I do the same session name, put in my name, put in my password, and you will create the short while. See if it's connecting. I should be connected. All right, and I'm in session. So this is a quick guide on how to get the Video SDK Windows running on Windows 11 and Visual Studio 2022. Thanks for watching.